大家好. In Chapter 9, we're going to talk about study habits, which the word is 习惯，这是我们的第一个生词，习惯。第二，平常。第三，早。第四，晚。第五，这么。所以 a habit is just a 习惯. We again see the character 习 pop up. 习 means to study. 惯 means regular, so it's a regular kind of studying, which is a habit, 习惯. We can combine this with the word 学习, which means studying or learning. So we can have a 学习习惯, study habit. 王鹏的学习习惯太好了. His study habits are amazing. 我们的第二个生词是平常. 平常 is exactly like a word we learned before called 常常, usually. 平常 is just another way of saying 常常. Exactly the same, maybe slightly more formal. So, 我常常跳舞. 我平常跳舞. Equivalent sentences. You can say, I usually come very early. And the word for early is 早. We've learned previously the word 早上, which means morning. So 早 is just early. That's the character in morning. You can see why that would be in the word morning. 早 is just early as individual character. So I can say something like 白英爱你平常来得很早. 白英爱 you usually come really early. So remember, this is the verb plus de plus adjective structure. You came the really early. The opposite of 早 is another word we learned, 晚, which means late. We've seen this character in phrases or words like 晚上, evening. Late, it's late. You can see why that character would also be in evening. So I can say 我平常来得很晚. I usually come very late. I can also say I sleep very late. 我昨天预习中文，早上4点才睡觉. Yesterday I was previewing Chinese. I slept at 4 in the morning. 你也睡得很晚吗? Did you also sleep very late? And this is again the verb plus adjective plus de plus adjective structure. 晚. I can also intensify an adjective like 早 and 晚 with the adverb 这么. Well, this is technically a pronoun, but it's used as an adverb. 这么. So, or this late. So I'm saying, oh, you're so late. Why are you so late? 这么晚. 白英爱你平常来得很早. Usually come very early. 今天怎么这么晚? So we learned 怎么 means how come, right? We learned that before. How come you're this or so late? 今天怎么这么晚? How come today you're so late? We can look at some other examples of 这么. 你为什么这么高兴? Why are you this happy or this excited? 别这么客气. Oh, please don't be so polite. 别这么客气. Please don't be so polite or this polite. 你看那个人那么高. 那么 is equivalent to 这么. It's the same phrase. So in terms of a sequence of adverbs, we learned a bunch of different ways to kind of intensify an adjective. there is a certain order in terms of how strong this intensifier is. Let's take an example of 好, right? Very basic adjective 好, 很好. That's a very basic one, 很好. But if I want to be a little negative, I want to say, it's not that great. 有一点好,有一点好. Well, actually, you wouldn't even say, we say 有一点不好,有一点不好. It's a little bit not good. If I want to exclaim and say, oh, that's really good, I want to praise somebody, 真好,真好. It's a little stronger than 很 because it's expressing my personal opinion. Then we have 这么好,这么好. Oh, this is so good. That's so great. 太好了,太好了. That's incredibly amazing. It's too good to be believed. Let's try it with a negative phrase like 难,难. 有一点难. It's a little bit hard. It's a little bit hard. 很难. 真难. Oh, I'm expressing my personal opinion about how hard it is. 这么难. It's so hard. This hard. 太难了. It's too hard. All right. 谢谢大家. Those are our lessons for today.